Hi guys, I am in China. I am currently at my grandparents' house in winter, and look at my hair. My hair is now back to dark, so I got some coffee and I'm going back to my room. I'm gonna change some clothes first, freshen up, and then I will go to my nails and maybe my eyelashes. Just finished my nails. It took like 3 hours, but good morning guys. I'm going to get ready and then try to catch my train to Qingtian, because that's where my other grandparents live, and I will stay there I think 2 days only. That's why I think so. And I've got cooked lunch. It's steak with an egg and noodles. We got lottery tickets. Let's hope we win our money back.
even more. No.
I just took a shower and I ordered wine and I have not one, but 4 mosquito bites. Like 1, 2, 3, yeah, 4.
看一下。不要保证。Beste vriend is hier. Dus dan kan ik
Oh, sorry.
Oh nee, heel sterk pistache. Afval.
Take the scooter. We are going to
massage.
massage.
做那个
So we're going to do a head massage and then also an additional ear cleaning. I've never done that before, so yeah. They give us some water and some stickies. Finished. I washed my eye also. He asked me, do you want to clean your eyes also? And I just said, yeah, sure.
I don't clean my eyes.
She said no.
Bauer is scared to say no.
En dit een beetje pijn.
Oké, dan ga je maar eerst.
Ja. Crispy squids. 来一个那个炸鱼和薯条。来个还有什么？latte。啊？这个风味拿铁是吗？对对。Did it.
Moest een blik hier. Deze zag ik ketchup in.
We are now at my friend's house and taking a break. And we need to poop. So we rushed home. And we will get some food later with my aunt. Going to eat Qingtian food. Oh, got some beer.
She also drank beer yesterday.
I did not. I have one of Qingtian's specialty. It's really crunchy. So it's now 11. We went for a walk and got some milk tea or from Molly tea. My grandma got me breakfast.
Je hebt echt grappig.
Grapje.
Woning bouwen. Tot dan weer oprecht niks. X-I-A-N.
Ja, zin.
Sorry.
Wat?
Zoetijn.
I am home at my other grandparents in Luyan. Yeah, I just picked up some Taobao packages, which I'm going to unbox. I ordered this. I have my coffee and I'm waiting for my taxi and I'm going to do my lashes. My lashes. It was only 128 RMB. I was surprised. I got two Onitsuka tigers. I got two colors because I can choose. So first I got the yellow one, the black one because it's so cute to look. I like that this one has this part. I don't know. It's now currently 7 in the evening. I wanted to maybe sleep a little bit because my cousins are gonna take me for dinner later in the evening. But it's like Yeshao, so it's like probably a bit later. Actually planning to take a nap, but this girl, she convinced me to go out. So I'm probably going to go to the shopping center and see if I can buy any small gifts for my friends. I hope it's not raining outside. Okay, so change of plans. We're going to grab dinner now.
昨天就回来的，今天才回来。
你好，帅哥，现吃吗？
现吃。
啊，好的。
It's now around 12. I'm packing my luggage because tomorrow I'm going to Yunnan. Anyways, I have this black hat thingy I bought recently. I don't know how it works because there's like 2 steps. See if it works. Normally, black hat stuff doesn't work on me, but it didn't hurt to like try. Hi guys. This is my outfit today. So I'm going downstairs and I'm going to meet up with my cousin, and then she's going to take me to some crafty space. Going to do some like decoration thing. I don't know how to explain it, but she calls it pin duo. It's like this.视频。
姐姐教你一下，就是
刷。
然后我的是这个。
谢谢。
对，10个粉丝。
Take This looks nice.